at Genesis the Church in Royal Oak, Michigan. We have a Schindler elevator to 338. There's a look out there. Now we're gonna go back down to 1. One R is a half 4. Schindler HT, it's a very nice elevator, pretty basic overall, but you know, gets the job done. Real quick, I'll show you guys the chime. It's got the plastic call buttons, very nice. Let's go down to 1R real quick and I'll let you guys see that it's only half a floor. Here's 1R. Oh, look at that, both of them light up. Oh, and that side says January 2010. That's interesting. All right, let's go back down. Just like that, a few steps. Okay, that'll be it.